What's up, YouTube? Random here checking in, baby. Today we're gonna be changing some brakes on this here GM 15 to 20. So got a 7/8. Pull the wheels off first. Inspect the brakes. See what's happening after that. Come on. Alright, so hey, she pretty bad. I think it's time. What y'all think? We gotta do all that to see him? Definitely time. So, and while we up under here, I'm gonna put a jack up under this here frame. And also what I had to do before, right there, see that spot right there? That's a bad location for the ground to get like corroded and stuff. So I had to clean that off. I have a problem with the vehicle cutting off and all of that. So if you're having that issue, clean that ground off, this is frame ground, tighten it up. I put a little paint on it. That's why it looked like I ain't clean it. So that's him, Jim. And that took care of. I ain't never had no more cutting off problems after that. I'm gonna show you how they change these brakes. This here socket back here, I believe, a screw. I mean, it's the 18mm right here. So let me get that and cut you on. Again, so got a socket and all that. I'm about to break these lugs, pull this caliper off of here, compress the brake, grease everything, put the new pads in. Y'all tune in. We actually could hit them with that gun. Since we down here, gotta get me a tripod. I don't see how old spray bait do it. We're gonna be spray bait today. I ain't pulling up with my back. I'm actually using my feet. So we squatted and we're just gonna stand up. All right. Stand up. I don't know why the video had pause. It said pause. So. Got that one out. Our other boat right here. Alright, now I think I need 2 hands, man. Caliper a little heavy. Y'all see the pads. What y'all think? They might be alright, huh? Might be alright. Might not have to change them. What y'all think? Put that light on them and see. Yeah, I'm looking at them, man. They ain't bad as I thought. Probably could return them. So, brakes is good, baby. One other thing I could check is even at that rotor, feel good, nice and solid. So I'm gonna tighten all this back up. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Now I need 2 hands. I need 2 hands. I just need a little 2 bang. I just need a little 2 bang. So look, we tried to hit y'all with a video. Sometimes it's just how it is, baby. Trying to do work, and sometimes work ain't even needed to be done. So they say don't, if it ain't broke, you don't fix it. I'm gonna lock him back down, Mr. Jim. Y'all see? Y'all see we been putting no miles on no girls though, huh? Try the solar Trans Am motor today. $400. So I'm actually painting some parts for the Mini right now, the trimming stuff. Just trying to do a little bit at a time, but I'm about to pull this out the way here. I'm gonna pull a car back up here. I'm about to pull it see how this here loose look. Look how this is, but I think you gotta tighten this after the car is on the ground, but I know it ain't supposed to be loose like that. It might probably look like a bushing is gone. You see that? So yeah, inspection, baby. So we're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to get these here. I'm definitely gonna have to get them. And Mike will go grab them now. Since I got it, let me look and see if I see them on AutoZone website, and I'll cut y'all back on. All right, gang, we up under this thing. And like I said, the brake pads, they had look good. So what I'm changing is this here sway bar link. Y'all see how loose it is. So I took one off already, right there. Got the new ones in the box. Right here, baby. So y'all tune in. Let's get it. You hear me? I'm gonna show y'all how that's done, baby. Huh? Let's see where I'm gonna set y'all at, baby. Y'all gonna go, baby. That probably good. I need to give me a tripod. I gotta get that old tripod, gang. Y'all see, got all that crap up out of there. This one here actually had a bushing on top. But y'all see how we loose, baby. We loose now. So we can pop this one here open, Jimmy. The Jim. Y'all see, brand new from AutoZone. I'll go your part number. Wow. Wow. Okay. You got your cap. Y'all see a little file. So you gotta take all this here off. But you see your seated part? That gotta go line up with your cap. With the grooves and all that, baby. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Let me get this shit stuck together. They gonna come with your old cappy. I'm sorry, gang. You're gonna come with your bushing, baby. Hold up, gang. Let me look at another one just to be sure. I'm putting that together. Yeah. So your two bushings. Here. You're gonna come with your other bushing. Bam. Come with your other bushing, gang. Let's see. You could check them all. They all the same. they all made the same, so there's really not a way you can get it wrong, gang. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Now you just gotta put your sleeve on. Your sleeve. It's gonna go against that side. Alright. See, we got our sleeve on there. Now we're gonna put rubber to the frame. Push up on this screw bar a little bit so I give me a little better clearance, baby. That's the old cap right there. Push up on that old sweep bar a little bit. See that? Look, set them right up in there like that, like so. Set them in there like so. And then you're gonna come with your top. Set them off in there like so, baby. Okay, alright, I can't get the nut on. It's supposed to be the right one, this over. I can't get the old nut on, baby. You know what? I think I need to let the vehicle down a little bit. I'm gonna try to let it down a little bit, man. Hold up. The old one that I took off right there. Yeah, they're the same. It ain't. Actually, yeah, they're the same length for sure. So I just gotta get it on there, baby. What I could do to bring them closer. Y'all give me a suggestion. What you think? What I can do to get it closer to each other so I can put that nut on there, gang. Y'all think I should try the other side first and see if that's how I get a little closer so I can lock him down and need to bring this one down or something. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think, gang? Y'all the ones that know. You just look at everything just to make sure I'm good on my end, bros. Make sure I'm good on my end. Yeah, that's the same. That's the same now. And that's the reason why I had put it on the wrench that I got it on. So you know what? Look, there's another nut down there. Hold up. Hold up, baby. Hold up. All right, let's try this again. Our sleeve at bushy. Then your nut. Then your sleeve. We have a sleeve back, gang. Sleeve. Then our washer. Then our busher. And then we got another busher. It's real close for the nut, especially after I put that wash on. Well, I think I can get it. You might have a little tit, I feel, gang. Can y'all see? All right, gang. I did manage to get them on. Y'all see, I got it just started, so I'm gonna go ahead on and lock that other side down and lock it all the way down, baby. Y'all see what it is. Get back with you in a minute. Got that old 563 put and a 551, baby. So 563 or 551 put, huh? phone had hung up, man, but y'all see what's going on, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, you heard me? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all know we about to pop off. Let's go. Alright, gang. Yeah, I wanted to show y'all one more thing, youngsters. Stop relying on that goddamn impact. Start feeling that stuff by hand, man. That's how you learn your vehicle better when you feel it by hand. I'm telling you. You gotta feel the stuff by hand, bro. You got to feel it by hand, baby. See, look, the impact ain't gonna give you all that. See, y'all got to stop believing these shots with that impact. That impact ain't gonna give you all that. Actually, this might be like the impact ain't gonna give you all that, baby. You hear me? I'm trying to teach you something. I'm trying to teach you something, baby. Yeah. I think I need a 14, gang. Oh, yeah, we definitely need a 14. Y'all see what's going on, man. Man, say, man, I appreciate y'all, baby. About to get on out of here, old random. Y'all want to see old girl? Let me show y'all, little girl. Show y'all what I had did to her. Show y'all what I had did to her right quick. Up to that trim on there, baby. Do that old trim on there, huh? Everything regular, so y'all see it. Hey, I'ma holler at y'all on the next one. We gonna tackle that. Where you go, youngster? I wanted to show you the old filth on the budget way, baby. You grab the right goddamn wrenches here, sonny boy. Look, that old papa teach you something. Look, you just stroke it. Look, stroke it with the motion. With the motion. I'm really going against the grain. Baby. That's all you need, though. You just need a little belt on the budget. All right, gang. Y'all be good, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, baby.